Hey everybody, it's Life with Marlene. I am your Florida vlogger. So today we are here for the channel member shout out, and I want to say thank you so much to all of the amazing channel members who support me month after month. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, I'm a Florida content creator and I do so with my own money. I'm not sponsored over here. I'm not monetized, but I do have my amazing channel members that give their support to me, and I want them to know how much I value them, how much I appreciate them, and how much it matters to me as a human being to have people enjoy seeing parts of my life. So welcome to the channel members shout out. Make sure join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. So let's do this, everybody. Hey channel members, come get your shine. Shout out to Sirius. That's a Virgo from Georgia. She is an amazing supporter, and I wanted to take the time out to say thank you so much for supporting, for modding, for always leaving wonderful comments, for supporting the channel with your financial donations, and also for just being yourself. Keep being you, Sirius. It's seen and you are appreciated. Most of the time as content creators, we forget to say thank you to those who support us. So I wanted to take some time out to say shout out to Sirius S, a Virgo from Georgia. If you have not already, subscribe to her channel. Even though she is not a content creator, she gives amazing support. And Boss Life Online, shout out Boss Life Online. Gio has an amazing channel. She is the original singing affiliate marketer, and as her caption says, the home of affiliate marketing, viral mailers, and motivation. Make sure you go over to her channel and receive some of her good motivation. She is going to teach you how to be an amazing affiliate marketer and motivator. She's a wonderful businesswoman. So make sure you go over, you connect to Boss Life Online's channel, and you'll be so glad that you did. Give her channel a view, a like, a subscription. And I wanted to say thank you, Gio, so much for all you do on your many channels, but thank you so much for being just who you are. I want you to know that you are enough. Shout out to Heather. Heather has an amazing channel. It's Heather Hunter J, where she does affordable beauty and budget crafts. She's in the Dollar Tree. Heather has you thinking you can craft everything because she makes it so simple and you can DIY. It's going to be affordable. And if you are a girly that loves to see the newest palettes and the newest things that she has hauled, you definitely want to subscribe to her channel. Thank you, Heather, for just being the sweetest, so kind, and having just amazing content that you are bringing to this YT community. So thank you, and shout out to Heather. Up next, we have Miss Nexie. Shout out to Nexie Puzzle Pieces. And she is not a content creator, but she supports so many content creators. She's an awesome mod. She's just a wonderful person. She gives great advice, and you will just appreciate her if you are fortunate enough to get the support of Miss Nexie. I want to say thank you so much for all your support, all your kindness, all of the tips and the tricks that you give me, the encouragement. It means so much. It does not go unseen, and I will always be grateful. So thank you so much. Shout out to Miss Nexie. Make sure you go over, you subscribe to her channel, even though she is not a content creator. Even the supporters deserve to get that subscription. Shout out to Dave of Dave's Adventures. He is a UK-based content creator, and just like his channel name, he goes on adventures, cruises, he goes to theme parks, he does reviews. So it's a various amount of things that Dave has on his channel. Make sure you go over there, you watch a few of his amazing vlogs and adventures, and you'll be so glad that you did. And check out this amazing content creator. Shout out to Dave. He is a great supporter, very friendly, very kind, and a great channel for you to connect to. So shout out to Dave's Adventures. You want to make sure you go over there, you hit the like, you subscribe, and you watch a video. Thank you so much, Dave. Shout out to all of the amazing channel members that I have listed. You can see their pictures right here on this file. Go check out their channels. They are amazing. And if you want to get this sort of shine, join channel membership on Life with Marlene. It starts at 99 cents.